We are here live again on IGC, and I'm Shirin Singh, and I'm so happy to be going live with a dear friend that is Komal Soni, Glam Factory by Komal Soni. We are so happy and we are so excited to learn new tips and tricks from her today in makeup. Hi Bhavna. So we are now going to add Komal and we are so excited. So let's see how it turns out to be. It's ready. This is a makeup talk today. So we would love to answer all your questions related to makeup, related to skin prep, pre-skin, post-skincare, everything that you want, you can think of. I'm sorry to ask you here, what about the gilded class, the guided class? Bhavna, can you please write again? Hi, how are
Hello,
you?
I'm good. How are you,
Welcome.
Shireen?
Very nice, very good. We are so happy to have you here today
Thank you,
and
so
so
am
excited
I.
to be with you. Yeah. So tell me, tell us about you. Who are you? How did you come into makeup and everything? Yeah.
Okay, sure. Um, I think I missed something because there was no connection. I'm sorry. Can you just
Yeah,
repeat?
sure.
You can
So
hear me?
I was saying,
You can hear me, Shireen?
yeah, I can hear you very well.
Okay, okay.
I was saying, please introduce yourself and let us know that how did you start your makeup journey, and
Okay.
then we have a lot of questions ready for you.
Network issue. Uh, can you hear me now?
Yeah, आपका थोड़ा सा network issue आ रहा है, but nevertheless we'll.
Yeah, I think so. There is
Yeah,
some
now it's fine.
network
It's
issue.
fine now. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I just started it in last year, December. It's been 1 year only.
Wow, that's
And
lovely.
yeah, I'm a self-taught makeup artist, and I have my studio in Kalkaji.
Wow, that's lovely. So it's in Delhi.
Yeah,
That's
yes,
great.
yes, yes, yeah.
Okay.
And makeup was
And
my passion. Just I love to do makeup, so I just got into. I thought, why should I not try this?
okay, so that's awesome. So we would like to ask you a few questions, और आप हमें ये बताओ कि what are we going to learn from you today?
I did my eye makeup. As you can see, I did my
All
brows
right.
as well,
Yeah.
and I'll be doing my base. And so
Okay.
maybe you all can learn from that.
Definitely. So let's start with your base.
Sure,
Side by
sure.
side मैं आपसे questions करती रहूँगी
हाँ
and you
जी, हाँ
just
जी.
keep answering so that we
Sure.
can make the best of our
हाँ जी,
session
हाँ
today.
जी. Yeah,
हाँ
sure.
जी. That's
And
so
I just
sweet of you. You,
moisturize.
yeah,
Yes,
please.
I just
Yeah.
moisturize my face with Embrolis, and I'll be
Okay.
starting with the primer. This is L'Oreal primer.
All right. Please switch off the comments. I understand. Yeah.
Yeah, we can on it afterwards.
Yeah, I just did that. So you're using a L'Oreal primer. Can you
Primer,
show it
yeah,
again?
yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
And this is a gel based or a cream based? Oh,
It's
nice.
a
Okay.
gel-based kind primer.
So, tell me, Komal,
हाँ जी.
what do you prefer? Do you prefer light makeup or do you prefer makeup which is blingy and which is like on the stage, forever glittery
Mm,
makeup? What?
no, it depends on occasion also. Like it's a night party, then maybe a little blingy, or I prefer light
Right.
makeup. I'm
Okay,
using
that's
now the
nice.
concealer, Kiko concealer.
All right. So, can you please tell us the shade number as well?
Yeah, it's 06.
Okay. And
Like my under eyes,
instead of, okay.
I have little acne scars, like
Pimple.
marks, little pimples.
Yeah,
Because on and off you get it.
yeah, definitely. This is something. जिससे छुटकारा नहीं मिल पा रहा हमें. Even I have
हाँ जी, very
acne.
true. Hmm. So I'm using this beauty blender.
This is Beauty Blender, or this is some other brand?
No, beauty blender.
Okay. I think they are the best. Apart from that, Atul
Yeah,
Chauhan has
actually.
very good Beauty Blender.
Yeah, I'd
In
heard it. I'd heard.
It's really nice. The
But
black
I
shade जो
haven't used
black
it.
वाला है वो बहुत अच्छा है.
Mm-hmm.
You must try.
Okay.
Awesome.
You can use oil also instead of a primer. Like I have a oily skin, so in summers I don't prefer using oil. Like Calabar oil is very good hydrating oil. I love that.
Okay,
But for winters,
that's
yeah.
okay. I have never used a color bar facial oil. मैं बल्कि
Okay.
I'm making notes. See, side by side, whatever you're telling me, I'm
Oh,
writing down.
that's
So
so sweet
guys,
of you.
you must have your paper and pen and just jot down everything, because learning is a process which we should never stop
Yeah,
and करते रहना चाहिए.
actually, even I'm learning till now. Now I'm using Makeup Forever foundation, HD
Lovely. And
foundation.
can we know the
And
shade?
yeah, shade number is Y245. And I'd mix little
Okay.
one more shade. It's B01.
Acha. You're mixing too.
Yeah, yeah. I normally mix little
Or
darker shade also.
that's nice. That's nice. A lot of people they mix concealers. It's a very good habit. People mix foundations also. That's
Yes.
also a very nice thing. Yeah. Okay, so let me know who has been your inspiration in makeup? We all girls are crazy. हम अपनी मम्मियों को देख के
Yeah,
makeup
actually, my mom is
but
actually she is my inspiration. But in makeup industry, I would say Chandni ma'am, Chandni Singh, she is my inspiration. And
lovely,
even
lovely,
Guneet
lovely.
also.
That's
Guneet
awesome.
Rizvi,
And both are doing very
both are
well
doing,
अपनी
yeah,
field में.
actually. Now again, I'm
Super.
blending with the beauty blender.
Sure.
You can see my face. Like after contouring, also you can see it. Contouring helps a
Yeah,
lot, makes a difference.
definitely. Okay. So, what do you enjoy the most? आपको contouring पसंद है? Do you like to do blusher or eye makeup? सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है?
सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है? वैसे तो आई लव डूइंग मेकअप मेकअप करना मुझे बहुत पसंद है बट आई मेकअप आई एंजॉय डूइंग दैट बिकॉज आई लव टू क्रिएट डिफरेंट आई लुक्स दैट्स द
हाँ.
बेस्ट पार्ट
And which is your best favorite eye makeup look जो आप हमेशा करते हो and love doing it?
स्मज लाइनर लुक विथ लाइक
Like the
मैंने जैसे
latest.
किया हुआ है या वैसे ही मुझे
हाँ.
पसंद है एक्चुअली आई हैव
Nice.
लिटिल
Even your,
हुडेड आईज सो
I can see
स्लाइटली
that. Yeah,
हुडेड
hooded eyes में lashes लगाना बहुत. It's a
बहुत
challenge
हाँ
to
जी
put lashes.
एक्चुअली एक्चुअली आई हैव स्लाइटली हुडेड बट आई ट्राई एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग हियर
Of course. So a person who can do makeup on hooded eyes is definitely a good makeup artist because hooded eyes में it's very difficult to fill in color and create that image of
यस
a big eye, a big
वेरी ट्रू
eye area.
या वेरी
Yeah.
ट्रू वेरी ट्रू
I'm just turning on the comments for
या
some
श्योर यू
time.
कैन
Hanji,
यस यस
you continue.
हाँ जी
Hanji.
नाउ आई एम यूजिंग टार्ट कंसीलर इट्स शेड मीडियम 35N
Nice.
टू
Tarte is
हाईलाइट
also very.
या it's the best one I think but if budget wise if you want like anyone can if they don't can't afford Tarte then they can have Maybelline one also it's also very nice
Yeah, nice. Komal, I can see that you have a good fan following and people are sending you a lot of sending you
Yeah.
love. That's very, very, very sweet.
Thank you.
Also,
Thank you so much.
uh we would be saving this live
हाँ
on
जी.
the IGC page, so anybody can watch it and learn what we are doing today.
हाँ जी. Very
And
true.
yeah. Also, please let me know another question that was there in the DMs. हमारे DM में आए थे that should foundation be different for day and evening?
Shireen, आपका आवाज कट गया. I think there was
Yeah,
some
yeah.
network issue.
Yeah. So foundations for day and night, should they be different or we can go with the same foundation?
Foundations, it depends on your base, actually, how you like it. Sometimes it matters because, but everybody
Okay.
needs a full coverage. So I think eye makeup, there should be a difference in day and night look.
All
Foundation,
right.
like it
That
depends. Like sometimes for daily wear, it depends. It's different. But at day and night, I would suggest everybody wants a flawless base and everybody wants to hide their acne marks and all, whatever.
That's lovely. It's a beautiful answer. That
Thank you.
I make up with much respect to you, best and gorgeous. It isn't fair, lol. Okay. Thank you. There was one question that had come in the comments. Best
Yeah.
lashes for hooded eyes.
CS
So,
Essentials.
CS
Uh,
Essentials.
yeah,
Love.
Chandni ma'am has the best lashes, I think, for hooded eyes. I don't remember the
Okay.
name, but it's very good. Like they are very light, and you can apply on eyelashes, hooded eyes.
That's great. That's great. So we already know that for hooded lashes, for hooded eyes, we need to use something
Very light.
जिसमें जो band होता है of
थोड़ा
the
पतला होना
lash
चाहिए.
वो पतला होना चाहिए और वो movable होना चाहिए. It should be
Yeah.
transparent so that वो eye की shape पकड़ ले. Okay, so
हाँ
we
जी.
have another question. Best lipstick nude shade. You continue doing your
Okay.
makeup. My
Sure.
question
Now I'm
is
baking.
makeup.
Yeah. With Huda Beauty banana bread.
All right. So, which is the your favorite nude lipstick?
My favorite Maybelline 65
All
number.
right.
Super Stay lipstick is the
Oh,
best one. Yeah.
really?
Because I
That's
get a lot
nice.
of queries regarding that nude one.
Oh. And there was another question. Best compact powder.
This compact powder. I'm not a compact person, um, but Color Bar has a good compact powder.
All
Color
right.
Bar is good, and Maybelline, even Maybelline is good. Because normally, usually, आजकल compact बहुत कम लगाते हैं, even loose powder ज़्यादा लगाते हैं सब.
Yeah, right,
I would
right.
also prefer
How
कि आप
is
loose powder लगाओ.
okay?
Yeah. अगर budget
And
friendly,
how is
then Maybelline.
uh,
Yes?
okay? Sorry, I'm sorry.
No, no, it's
How
okay.
is Huda? How is Huda foundation? Have you used it?
Yeah, it's very nice. I use for my brides, some of my brides, because अगर जिनके बहुत ज़्यादा marks होते हैं, like acne scars, pigmentation, so I use for them, and it gives a flawless base. It has a
That's nice.
very high coverage. I'm using Hoola
Lovely.
bronzer for contouring.
Okay. Okay, we are going to turn off the comments for a time, for some time, to see how you contour your face. Nice. You already have nice chiseled face, you know. It is just going to
No,
increase
no, not at
the
all.
Sorry, I'm a water person. मेरे को पानी के बिना
That's a good thing.
बिल्कुल
I always suggest everyone you should have water.
yeah.
Like after contouring, I just a little bit of like baking here as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'll be doing my lower lash. I under eye I didn't did, so I'll be just highlighting it little, just giving a.
So you use this palette today for your makeup?
No, actually I
आपने
did with remastered. I did this with this.
remastered.
Yeah, but it has the same shade, so I thought why not?
Yeah, do it from this. Okay. So there were a few questions, Komal. We are going to
Okay.
quickly ask you those. Your
Okay.
favorite foundation for brides?
Estee Lauder, uh,
Okay.
Makeup Forever, and Huda Beauty. These three I use most for them.
That's lovely. That's really, really nice. Your favorite moisturizer you use before makeup?
Embrolis moisturizer. I love it.
And
Hanji.
and best corrector for dark circles.
Orange corrector. I use LA Girl for dark circles. Orange corrector. It's very nice and easy to use it. Like you get a very good flawless skin.
Okay. All right. Then we have a question. What makeup brushes do you use?
I normally use Morphe Real Technique pack. Um,
Okay.
and I have a lot of variety, but like Morphe, more ma pack. A lot of them.
Okay. Is Makeup Studio a good base? Have you used Makeup Studio products?
No, I haven't. I haven't tried it. Krylon
Oh,
is good
okay.
instead of Makeup Studio.
Try
I've
it.
heard a lot. Many of them use Makeup Studio, but I haven't used it honestly. But Krylon is the best. If you're comparing with this for the base, it's very nice, very good.
And highlighter for that extra glam. Which is your favorite highlighter? For light and
Embrace,
party look,
Embrace,
Emrazy. Now that
Anastasia.
now that Emrazy is out of stock, it has been उसकी production बंद कर दी गई है. So what else will you suggest
Becca
your
is
followers?
good, Becca. And if budget friendly, if you need in for a drugstore brand, I would suggest Master Chrome Maybelline. Even this is
Yeah,
amazing.
maybe
And I had heard Nykaa has launched a lot of highlighters, but I haven't
highlighters.
used, yeah, but I haven't used it,
All right.
but I use this Maybelline one. I'm using the
Okay.
blusher Milani. This is
Okay.
shade Blossom Time Rose, 11 number.
Okay. Blossom Tango.
Blossom Time Rose, 11 number. Blossom Time
Okay.
Rose.
Okay. And there's a question, daily BB or CC cream or any foundation which we can use on daily basis.
Um, I usually use LA Girl Matte Foundation for daily basis. And I would BB cream, I would suggest L'Oreal has a good BB cream. Even Calabar has a good BB cream. You can use it.
Okay.
Yeah. But I love LA
If,
Girl Matte Foundation.
okay.
Yeah.
And there's a question, do you drink coffee?
Yeah, a lot of coffee. I'm a coffee person.
Oh, this is so sweet. Somebody which is Poha XCO Vani, the top influencer is you. It's really sweet. It's a beautiful
Thank you.
compliment.
Thank you so much.
Our
Thank you.
BH cosmetic brush is good.
BH
Have you
Cosmetics.
used?
No, no,
Yes.
I haven't.
Okay. So Vogue, inspiring the
Now I'm
millennial community.
now I'm using
Yeah.
Anastasia Mrezi. I'm done with my base.
Yeah, lovely. Your
And
base is absolutely stunning, and
thank
it
you.
looks like कि कुछ भी नहीं करा हुआ. It's really nice.
Thank you so much. I
Uh,
just put a lip color.
Drugstore eyeshadow palette.
Drugstore. Makeup Revolution has a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and these are affordable also for beginners also. And Color Bar is a good one. LA Girl is a good one. And those are
That's
all
nice.
like you will get all variety.
Lovely. And tell me, there is this question. What do you think about facials, medicated facials?
Medicated facials.
Like we go to salons, instead of going to a salon, should we go to a skin doctor
Yeah, we
to
should.
get our
We
skin?
should. Yeah,
Okay,
actually, we should consult a dermatologist because, like, if you have a problematic skin, you should consult because sometimes हम ऐसे ही घर पे कुछ भी करते रहते हैं और हम normally salon चले जाते हैं. But I think you should like go to a dermatologist.
that's nice. And what is the daily skincare routine that we should follow? What do you follow? Is it important? Is it not important?
Yeah, it is important. CTM is important a lot. We should like cleansing, toning, moisturizing is a must. We should always follow that because
So,
I'd heard
what
many of
brands
them
do
don't
you
follow. Sorry.
like? What do you follow for CTM? आप क्या use करते हो?
For cleansing, I use not like I use Cetaphil wash also, face wash
Cleanser. Yeah.
and cleanser, yeah. Or sometimes faces का एक है मेरे पास foaming face wash because it's
Hmm.
deeply cleansed. Or toning, I use L'Oreal Hydra toner. It's a good one because I have a oily skin, so or Aroma Magic also sometimes. And
Yeah.
moisturizer, Cetaphil moisturizer for my skin because I have a very combination skin, so I have to like. But on the
Take
T
care
zone,
of
I
it in the
apply.
medical.
Yeah, on the T zone, I don't
Yeah.
apply much moisturizer in summers. I usually apply acne oil, like it's a fairy oil, Aroma Magic. I use that.
Yeah, even I use it. It's very nice for
हाँ जी,
sensitive skin.
हाँ जी, हाँ
Huh.
जी, हाँ जी.
Lovely. So, I would like to ask you a few more questions. What is the best compliment you've ever got from a bride, from a makeup that you have done? जो आप भूल नहीं पा रहे हो.
Nice question. I get a lot of compliments, but one I remember, one of my bride, she messaged me specially that like like I've chosen you, like it was my best decision of life before choosing
Oh,
my
so sweet.
fiance. Like
Oh,
after
so
choosing
sweet, so
Gaurav,
sweet,
she messaged me. Yes,
so
there are
sweet.
two, three
That's
compliments.
incredible.
That's very nice.
हाँ,
Yeah.
बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay, so do you have जैसे आपकी स्किन केयर रूटीन है, so आपका जो स्किन केयर रूटीन है, do you have it different for morning and night कि आप बिल्कुल सेम फॉलो करते हो?
नहीं मैं सेम फॉलो करती हूँ बट हाँ एक्चुअली समटाइम्स इन विंटर्स आई फॉलो लाइक आई यूज ऑयल हाइड्रेटिंग ऑयल फॉर समर नाइट
Yeah.
इन
So
समर्स आई
you
डोंट
said the
यूज
color
मच
bar facial oil
हाइड्रेटिंग
is
ऑयल
nice.
या इट्स वेरी नाइस हाइड्रेटिंग ऑयल
Yeah. So
इवन
what do you
मिलाग्रो इज
rec
ऑल्सो नाइस
okay. So what do you recommend for people who are watching कि हमें suppose if I am a new makeup artist मैंने बस अभी कोर्स करा ही है या I'm a self how should I prepare my kit मेरे को अपनी किट में क्या क्या सबसे जरूरी सामान रखना चाहिए.
सबसे जरूरी सामान इफ यू आर अ बिगनर तो आप नॉर्मल ब्रांड्स के लो ड्रग स्टोर ब्रांड्स आर ओके लाइक ऐसा नहीं कि आपको हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स ही लेने हैं बिकॉज फॉर प्रैक्टिस यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सो डिड आई मैंने भी ऐसे ही किया है यू कैन यूज फिट मी फाउंडेशन एक फाउंडेशन होना
Yeah.
चाहिए एक लूज पाउडर एक पैलेट एनी गुड पैलेट फॉर प्रैक्टिसिंग यू कैन यूज वेगा ब्रशेस वेगा के प्रोफेशनल ब्रशेस आते हैं आप वो ही रखो और लाइक जेल लाइनर
Uh,
मेबलिन का
you
बहुत
did
अच्छा
not
है
mention which lipstick you are wearing.
Oh, acha, I just forgot. Sorry. Uh, it's Maybelline again. 225 number. Maybelline Super Stay.
Okay.
I have a huge collection. I have all the shades.
And full coverage foundation, कौन सा
Full
आप suggest
coverage.
करोगे?
Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty.
Suppose if because I know कि Huda Beauty is a difficult, it's not a difficult foundation to use, but ये थोड़ा tricky foundation होता है because इसको बहुत जल्दी blend करना होता है. तो suppose
हाँ
if
जी,
I
हाँ
am,
जी.
मैं makeup artist नहीं हूँ, तो मैं फिर भी खरीदूं कि should I buy something else?
हाँ, अगर आप मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नहीं हो तो फिर आई वुड सजेस्ट कि एले गर्ल अच्छा है, फिर तो बहुत अच्छा है. फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन है, मैट वाला, मैट वन, एले गर्ल मैट फाउंडेशन. एंड आई हैव हर्ड मेकअप फॉरएवर, मेकअप फॉरएवर, इसके स्टिक्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, लाइक यू कैन यूज दोज एज
Yeah,
वेल.
makeup.
और ड्रग स्टोर ब्रांड अगर आपको चाहिए तो फिट मी इज द बेस्ट. मेबलिन फिट मी.
Okay, all right, all right.
एंड शिरीन,
Uh,
आपके लिए भी मेरे पास क्वेश्चंस हैं.
sure, sure. Go ahead.
So, yeah, who is your inspiration?
Okay, so my inspiration for makeup or
Yeah,
for
for
life?
makeup. For makeup.
Okay. So my inspiration for makeup is not just one person. I have two, three people whom I follow. First and foremost from India, I really appreciate Amrit Kaur and Atul Chauhan. I
Okay.
love their work. Very
Okay.
creative
Great.
and very nice. Not that कि बाकी artists का काम अच्छा नहीं है. They are doing
Yes, yes.
wonderful, but I want to
Thank
do
you.
what they are doing. And I love Ilaha's work, Ilaha Haiva.
Yeah.
She's from
Yeah,
Baku.
yeah,
I
she's amazing. Actually amazing.
yeah, I love her work. And there are a few, two, three more artists. उनके नाम नहीं मुझे पता, but I follow them like crazy. There is one makeup artist from Australia, which is Anastasia.
Okay.
Her
Yes.
name is Anastasia, and she does beautiful makeup. Her eye makeup is fabulous.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
follow them,
Great. Okay.
and randomly Instagram पे whatever is trending, I make sure कि मैं देखूं, and then I click pictures and I just want to copy and do them and try them again and again
Yes,
like
yes.
that.
Okay, that's good. When are you planning your next master class?
So our next master class is going to happen the moment the lockdown is over and 50 people can sit in a class. We are just waiting because हमारा artist जो है Heldar Marusi, he's another awesome artist.
Yes,
We already have हमारे साथ उनकी deal हुई हुई है. The contract is signed and we are just waiting कि सब
for
कुछ
the
ठीक हो,
lockdown. Yeah,
flights हो जाएं, and with
sure.
social distancing we are going to create a class of 50 people minimum, and
Okay.
2 meter दूर बिठाएंगे and we will do the class. It's already in the
Sure, that's
pipeline.
great. Okay, that's great.
Already हम online class तो कर ही रहे हैं with Ilaha. It's a 3-day class. It's an
Okay,
online
okay,
class.
online. Yeah,
In June,
I saw in your stories. Yeah.
and then in July we are going to do Eldar Marusi for one look.
Okay, okay, that's great. Amazing. Which is your favorite lipstick? Nude? Are you a nude person? Nude lipstick or red?
Okay, so again, this is it depends to where I'm
Yeah.
going, but I
Yes.
still prefer nude lipsticks because I feel there is a shade in Maybelline Toasted Brown.
Okay.
That's my favorite nude lipstick, and there's
Okay.
another one from MAC which is Teddy.
Okay.
That's also a beautiful nude shade. I like these two. Like
Okay.
Toasted Brown, तो मेरा खत्म होने से पहले next आ जाता
Next
है.
आ जाता
It's
है.
that yeah.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Even I like accordingly, like I'm wearing maroon, so I thought I should not go for a nude. Like
Yeah.
sometimes it depends. Yeah.
Yeah, it depends कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो या how are you feeling, आपका
हाँ
mood
जी,
कैसा है.
हाँ जी. और आपका ये आईजीसी, लाइक ये इस माइंड में कैसे आया टू क्रिएट दिस, लाइक
Um, okay, so
आप मेरे
this
ऑडियंस को एक बार
happened.
आईजीसी का भी पूरा बता दो, लाइक what all like
So,
introduction. Yeah.
sure, sure. Thank you so much. IGC is International Glam Council, and we work for makeup artists, and we want to do makeup master classes across the world. That
Okay.
is वो हमारा point of view है.
हाँ जी.
And शुरुआत ऐसे हुई that I was a makeup artist, and I had some connections, family connections with Ilaha,
Oh,
and but I wanted to learn from her. So
okay.
I requested her that, why not I go to Baku and I learn from her.
Yeah, yeah.
करते 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 we decided, and I told her, okay, you come to India and we will
Okay,
do a master
okay.
class. We will do the best that we can, and it just happened.
And it gets started.
So this is all planned. It was like a plan, बस उस पे हमें steps रखने थे, and it was
हाँ
happening
जी.
on its own.
It was a destiny, actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're
So
doing
I'm
wonderful,
very
wonderful.
thankful. Thank you.
And even I'm waiting when we'll do a master class.
Sure, sure, definitely, definitely.
Yeah, yeah. Mhm. I'm
So
done with the questions.
thank you. So is there anything that you want to tell our viewers about makeup? Okay, there's one question that we are left with asking you, that how is Instagram helping you? Do you think कि we are हम social media आपको कैसे help कर रहा है? Is it helping
नहीं,
you at all?
yeah, yeah, it is. It is helping me a lot because I get mostly queries from Instagram itself. और मैंने
Okay.
स्टार्ट ही उसी से किया है मेकअप पोस्ट करना मेकअप आई स्टार्टेड विद पार्टी मेकअप स्लो एंड स्टेडी विंस अ रेस
Right.
तो लाइक ऐसे ही बस करा और फिर वर्ड ऑफ माउथ भी है काफी बट इंस्टाग्राम हेल्प मी अलॉट
That's nice. That's nice. So you recommend everyone to सोशल मीडिया को अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करें
हाँ
प्लेटफॉर्म
जी
को.
हाँ जी अच्छे से यूटिलाइज करो लाइक व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज और व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू लाइक makeup was my passion so I thought ki why should I try it I should like it was
या
just like कि चलो let's see करके देखते हैं so it went on and everybody loved
सो
it so
आपको लाइक आई एम नॉट यू लुक अनमैरिड सो इज इट
no
डिफिकल्ट is it
I'm married
difficult to okay, congratulations, is it difficult to manage house and work? How do you manage it, because जब हम
um,
मेकअप करने
my
निकलते हैं
family's
there is no time.
हाँ जी yeah actually there is no time my family is very supportive my husband is supportive my mother-in-law is supportive and like I don't have to see after like my home
Yeah,
they help me a lot they manage everything
that's
so I have a son
that's
like they manage
how old is your son?
don't ask he's 14 years old
Really? Oh my
yes
God, you look super young. Trust me, you've
no
maintained
no
yourself so
no actually I got
wow.
married
I'm
early
impressed. फिर
thank
भी
you thank you that's a
14 years
compliment
तो हो गए होंगे मैरिज को, 14
हाँ 15
15
16 years हो
years.
गए हैं हम 16 years हो गए हैं हाँ जी I got married
Amazing.
early so हाँ
Got
जी
married when you were 20, 21, and that's how.
yeah
Oh, उससे
19
भी पहले.
19 19
Oh,
Hmm.
awesome. That's really nice to know that you are doing everything so well. आप अपनी family, your son, you're maintaining everything so well. You're maintaining
thank
yourself
you
too. That's so beautiful.
thank you I'm trying to thank you so
And
much
uh, during this lockdown, आपको सबसे ज़्यादा what is that one thing जो आपको realize हुई कि you know हर बंदे को अपने लेवल पे कुछ ना कुछ realizations हुई हैं staying at home.
Hmm.
What is it जो आपको पे लगा? Last
फैमिली
question.
टाइम फैमिली टाइम
Yeah.
जो
Yeah.
थोड़ा हमारे पास कम टाइम होता था बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज यूज टू लाइक रश फॉर वर्क आई हैव अ स्टोर ज्वेलरी स्टोर एज वेल सो we have to
Oh,
go
nice.
there so yeah so like managing all the time I'm into like business only so I realized that family time is a must.
It's
We should
important.
enjoy. And even I'm enjoying this phase.
Wow. So
Yeah.
आपका where is your jewelry store? Let us know. हम लोग आएंगे ना.
It's in Kalkaji, Kalkaji.
Okay. And this
Yeah.
is real and real
No, artificial,
jewelry and
artificial, artificial.
oh, awesome, awesome, awesome.
Thank
That's
you,
nice.
thank
So
you.
जब shoot करनी होगी, we can always ask for your help. Guys,
Sure, sure, sure.
think
Anytime.
that's nice.
Anytime. Yeah.
It's lovely to interact with you. You're a very sweet person, very soft
Thank you so
spoken.
much. Same here, Shireen.
And
Even love this session. Seriously.
yeah, and it's amazing that you did makeup and it's flawless.
Thank
Generally
you.
इतनी जल्दी जब हम मेकअप करते हैं तो हम flawless makeup नहीं कर पाते. But it's beautiful that you've managed to do it. And that's my
Thank you
son
so much.
peeking inside.
Oh, hello. So cute.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
fine.
Great.
So
How
thank
old
you,
is
Komal.
he?
I want to definitely do another live session with you sometime, but with eye makeup because
Sure, sure,
hooded
sure,
eyes
sure.
में makeup करना is a challenge.
हाँ
We would
जी, हाँ
plan
जी.
that also very soon.
Sure.
Thank you
Okay.
so much. Please click
Welcome,
a few
Shireen.
pictures and send me.
Sure, sure.
अभी अपनी
Okay, thank
photos
you.
click करके. Thank you.
हाँ जी.
Bye.
Thank you, Shireen. Thank
Thank.
you.
Thank.
Bye.
So, guys, this was a wonderful talk session, live session that we had. And I'm so happy and glad that we could pull it off so beautifully. Also, there are so many more things that we would like to share with you. But the first and the foremost is that IGC believes in raising the makeup empowering every makeup artist. So